In the years just after World War II, America was restless, hungry for the open road and the freedom of new beginnings. Out of Bloomington, Illinois, the Alma Trailer Company answered that calling. With polished aluminum curves inspired by the aircraft design and the optimism of a nation on the rise, Alma built trailers that weren't just shelters. They were symbols of adventure. Families hit the highways chasing sunsets, mountains, and a new American dream. Today, finding an Alma in the wild is like stepping back into the golden era. When the road was wide open, the future was shining, and every mile meant possibility. Join me today as I find an abandoned Alma trailer just outside of Phoenix, Arizona. Macintosh. It's pretty cool. We got a bunch of things out here, so let's see what they got. And this is what we came for. 1940 Alma. 1940 Alma trailer. So we do got some tires on it. That's what I just came to see pretty much. So this is what we got. Boats out here. There's a bunch of junk out here, so this is what we came to see. We got the second door out here, which is good. We got the two doors, and this is the trailer itself. 1940s Alma. This is a old school classic. Axle seems to be okay. Axle seems to be okay. We just gotta jack it up and get it out of here. But man, this thing's really beat up. Got an old computer box, Macintosh. But it has all the cabinets. The roof is kind of collapsed. Let's see what else do we got out here. It's just a bunch of junk, bunch of old stuff. I kind of do like this trailer though. We got the doors, which was the most important part. I was worried about that. I don't know if it's going to be towable. It should be all right. Got these metal trims we got to watch out for. So, yeah, this is some cool stuff out here, but I'm still just evaluating it, trying to see what it's gonna look like. Let's check this side out. Oh, looks like there's a beehive there. Yep, there's definitely a beehive. Okay, so we gotta watch out for that. Definitely. All right, so we definitely can't get any closer because that is a legit beehive. That's a legit beehive there, so